Hello friends, today we have received our package from Renate German. This package contains a lot of clothes for us, for an organization and for a locally. Let us open and see what's there inside. It has cards which reads that it's here into German. Springs for locally, bands, space for locally, plastic cutlery for locally, soap for locally, spoon for yogurt is locally, and then it's another card which reads that. And here in this packet, for you, little present from me, for you, Akankwasa Ali, espresso sticks, chocolate, one biocotton shirt, for you, one ceramic necklace for you. Thank you for the work you do for the children, especially Rukoli. Thank you.